Guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make fluffy slime. So first of all, I got all these products at Dollar Tree. So first you will be needing some glue, some Tide, a container, some water, and shaving cream. So first of all, open your container, obviously. And then, and now, put some glue. I'm just gonna take off the top. Okay, so put some glue. I'm not gonna put too much, because I don't even know if it works yet. So this is my first time trying it out. It's my first time using shaving cream also. And now, I think I need to put some shaving cream. Actually, the water. Some water. Okay, I'm not gonna put that much. Put a little bit of water. I don't even have a mixing tool. So I've got my mixing tool here. Put some water. Now I'm gonna like stir. Okay. Now I'm gonna use my shaving cream. I think I'm gonna shake it first. Okay. My first time using shaving cream. So and comment down below if it's also your first time using shaving cream. Okay, I'm not gonna put that much. I'm gonna put a little bit at a time or something. And probably now I'm going to put some Tide. Put a little bit of Tide. If you put too much, well, put a little bit at a time. Don't put too much. Okay. Kind of getting sticky or something. Yeah, it's getting sticky, which is good. It's a good thing. If it's getting sticky, then it's a good thing. And this is not fake. It is not fake. It's not fake at all. Because, number one, it's not fake because we don't even have other slime. So, you need to try this out if it's very good at the end. So, it's not fake, just to make sure. Not fake at all. So, yay. It's going to be working out. Yeah. Okay, so I added more shaving cream and some more glue. So, well, I think I put too much shaving cream. I'm gonna put some water. A little bit. Just. I hope it works. Because I saw this in a video. So that's why I'm trying it out. To see if it actually worked. Or if that person faked it. So, don't blame me if it doesn't work. Well, maybe more Tide will help it. I don't Well, I don't think it worked. So, sorry. But give this video a like and a subscribe. And comment down below if you like the video.